Welcome everyone. So in this video we are going to learn data types. So first of all, what is a data type? So by name it's clear that it's a type of data that we are using and working on. So it's very necessary to understand that what type of data we are working on in Arduino, and not even Arduino, in every programming we need to know that which type of data we are working on. So in this programming also we have several data types, and what actually data types means that I have told you before that integer is a type of data in which we store integer values. Character is a type of data in which we store character values like A, B, C, D and up to Z, and floating point values. In this similar way we have 17 types of data type in Arduino programming, about which I will note here. And one more thing, to imply all these data type we first have to learn about condition operators and loops, etc. So we do not imply these practically now. After 5 or 6 videos we will try to implement all our data types with conditional operators and perform practical there. So for till that I suggest you to just prepare notes and understand what type of data and what these things mean, so you will not be confused there and easily able to understand. So first of all we have int, second we have along, then float, after that we have short, then we have string, and then unsigned character, after that we have unsigned int, after that we have unsigned long, then we have void, after that we have word, followed by string with parentheses. There is a difference between string and string with parentheses, so don't get confused in both these, because I have also written string here and then again string with parentheses. So these are different data types, and there is a slight difference in them, not alone. Then we have array, and also those who did not have learned any programming before, don't worry about this, and we will explain every of these single data type in next videos. Then after that we have bool and boolean, then we have bit, also about which we have learned a simple in constants. Then we have char, which is denoting characters. I have not written it before. Then in last we have double. So these are the 17 data types that we have, on which one by one we will learn. So in this video we will just cover these 4 data types because they are simple and short there. So first of all, int, denoting integer values. So these are simply used by us in our previous codes, like here, and this an integer used. It's a data type. Just this simple syntax consists of 3 things, where int is denoting the data type, then the LED pin is a variable, and this 7 is a constant. So these things constitute and make this simple syntax. Int LED pin is equal to 7, where we have defined the LED pin 7 and used in our program. So these are just values that store integer values, and their limit is just that I have told 32 768 in minus to 32 767. So this is the range of these integer values. After that, here you are seeing long and short. There are also integer types of data type, but there is a difference in them and in their syntax. In int, we just simply use int and then variable name x is equal to and something value that we are given like 7 here, and this is the syntax of integer values. And if we are going to talk about long and short, then there is just a simple two differences. That first one is the syntax. For short, we have short and then the variable name and any value to that, and the difference in integer and short is the range. And actually short is just integers having the same range. This range is same in short, just a difference of syntax and name. But in long, when we are talking about long, then I have already told you that long are the values in which we increase the limit on both the sides, in negative also and in positive also. The syntax for long is simply long and the variable name like here g, but the values in this consist of like something this, or like long L is equal to something like 1.8 light year, something like that. And the range for this is I cannot even pronounce it simply. This is the range of long integer values. They are just simply used when we require a long value. And sometime in Arduino, we have working on sensors, and the sensors work on a large number of values. We just simply not work on 2, 3. Even I have told you in a video that in 1 second, more than 50,000 observations are taken by N motion sensor or IR sensor. So these are used there. So here we have covered 4 data types, and these are simple and short. After this we will work on another like array strings. So thank you for watching.